Hey everybody, today we're replacing the engine air filter on our 2006 Toyota Avalon. I got a Denso OE filter here. Don't need any tools, just need to locate the air filter housing box, which is right here. Big black box here. We have 3 clips. We'll take this one off here, this one here, and then we'll lift this up. And there's a plastic connection in the back here. We'll just try to finagle it so it pops off like that. And here we have our air filter. Has not been replaced in a while. It is super dirty. Look at that. That's terrible. Good thing we have a new one here. Go ahead and toss that aside. Put this back down. There's only one way to put this thing in. You can see here. You can see here on the top left. There's this angled side here. That goes in the top left of the engine. So we'll open it up with the right side in. Slide it into place like so. And then we'll just set it back down. I'm gonna have to look in the back here to get it around these hooks, like that. And then from there, just kind of work it. Make sure you don't see any of this white when you are putting it back on. You need to make sure that when the filter housing goes around the filter, you cover up any of that white. Like that. Once it seats like that, then you go ahead and just flip it back up, flip it back up, flip it back up, and you're all good to go. One thing to watch out for here, some of these emissions hoses or the little air hoses will pop out if you pull too hard on the box. So just make sure you got everything buttoned back up before you call it a day. And just like that, super easy, super quick job, make your engine last longer. Thanks for watching.